Thinking about dropping $40 to ride a giant Ferris wheel in London? Before you book the London Eye, let me save you from tourist regret or convince you to swipe that card. Here's everything you need to know before you go. The London Eye is a 443-foot tall observation wheel on the south bank of the Thames. Each rotation takes about 30 minutes, and no, it doesn't stop to let people in. You just hop in while it's moving, but don't worry, it's not as trippy as it sounds. From the top, you get panoramic views of London, Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, maybe even Buckingham Palace if your eyes are good and the London fog isn't fogging. It's definitely a super cool view of the city, and the photo ops are chef's kiss. But let's talk value. Is visiting the London Eye worth it? If it's your first time in London, yes. Is it touristy and crowded? Also yes. But it's kind of like a London rite of passage. Tickets start around $39 USD, and if you decide to go, book online in advance here. It's cheaper and you can skip the crazy ticket line. To get a much shorter queue to ride the Eye, I recommend coming in as early as possible on a weekday. I'll put opening hours and more important info in the description. Sunset is prime time for views, but also the most crowded, and don't bother with the champagne upgrade, it's not worth it. If it's your second or third time in London, or you just don't want to pay the price for the giant spinning pod wheel, I found a place that has better views in London and it's free. So make sure to watch this next video to find out where it is.